Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I created these two lavender and pink candle and holder set. This is absolutely so cute and it's great for Easter. You can use it in an Easter basket, you could use it for room decor, or you could just simply use it as a gift. But it came out absolutely beautiful and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I'm going to use the lavender and lemon scented candles that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 of those. And this smells beautiful, guys. The scent is really nice and rich. I'm also going to be using this bling wrap that I picked up from my dollar store, not the Dollar Tree, but my dollar store. I'm going to use this. I wanted to try this out. I'm going to be using some tacky glue, but later on, guys, I'm going to tell you need to use the Dollar Tree super glue for this project if you plan to do this. And so I'm going to get started. So what I did here initially was put a little bit of that tacky glue around the candle, and I put some on that bling wrap that I just showed you, and I just simply wrapped it around the center of this candle. Now initially, guys, this took a long time to stick, and so if you're going to do this, I'm going to recommend that you use the Dollar Tree super glue. Just kind of dot it in a few places and then lay your bling wrap in. But this did stay on, and it looks nice. Now it's hard to adhere anything to this candle using hot glue, and if you're going to use a wet glue like Mod Podge, that may take a little bit longer because the candle is resistant to wet sticky glues. So after I put the bling wrap on and let it dry, I then added this lavender ribbon, and it's about 1/2 inch wide, and I just simply hot glued the ribbon around. Next, I'm going to add a small bead of glue in the center of the candle, and I'm going to add a pink pear-shaped gem. Now I'm going to add 2 more, creating sort of like a floral design. So now I'm going to take the 2-pack white foam disc, pick that up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use one of those foam discs, and I'm just going to hot glue the mirror to the disc. Same bling wrap that I used on the candle, I'm going to wrap it around the perimeter of the white disc. Now I'm going to add the same lavender ribbon right in the center of the pink bling wrap. Now I'm going to add the same 3 pink pear-shaped gems and create the same design that I made on the candle. Now I'm going to create that same sort of design on top of the mirror. So now it's time for the second project. I'm taking the second candle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use these jewels and gems. I got that from the Dollar Tree as well. This is what they look like. They're very pretty and they're luminescent a little bit, and they're flat in the back. I used this tacky glue, and guys, I used this tacky glue again for this project and it didn't really work, so I do recommend that you use the Dollar Tree Super Nail Glue. That really works. It has a red top and it really works well. So right here I just added a small drop of the Dollar Tree Super Glue to each one of the gems. I didn't show that in this video, but that's what I'm doing, and I just adhered it to the candle. And so I'm doing it in a pattern with a pink floral gem and a purple floral gem, and sort of alternated it all the way around the candle. Now I'm going to take the pink adhesive gems, and I got that from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to wrap it around the floral gems that I just put down, and I'm going to do it underneath the gems as well. Guys, I do suggest if you're going to use these candles, if you're going to adhere anything to these candles, make sure you take a tissue or a paper towel and just clean off any of the excess oils that might be on the candle. That will definitely help anything adhere to the candle a lot better. Really pretty. I love the way that looks. So now I'm going to take a white foam board that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as a 5-inch round mirror, and I got that from the Dollar Tree also. So here with the foam board, I'm going to create 2 separate platforms for the mirror just to give it some little bit more support. I'm going to draw the shape of the mirror onto the foam board in 2 places. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to score the foam board with my utility knife. After that, I'm going to cut it out. So now I'm going to hot glue them both together. Right here, I'm just gluing down any spaces that may be on the foam disc. And I'm just going to retrim it, making sure it's in a perfect circle. Now I'm going to use a diamond wrap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is like a pinky lavender color. I'm just going to hot glue it to the perimeter of the foam boards. Now that that's done, I'm going to hot glue the mirror onto the foam board. So here, I'm going to add some of those pink adhesive gems around the perimeter of the mirror. And I love the way this looks. It's coming out so beautiful. So now I'm going to hot glue the gems onto the outer perimeter of the holder. Okay, so this is absolutely beautiful, guys. This is how it looks as a set. I love the way this looks, and I love the first set that we completed. Really, really nice. So pretty, and the colors are so lovely. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.